Hello and welcome to the explanation of the 4-week website split test I'm hosting for the UK port and spa industry only. My name's Euan Meredith, and the goal of the test is simple: to prove if your website is making you money and performing at its very peak, or quietly costing you customers without realizing it. But instead of just claiming it, I want to prove it to you. So right now you have visitors landing on your website daily, but with no clear tracking or data, you're essentially blind to how it's actually performing. Some of your best potential customers could be slipping through every day, and not only are you unaware of it, you've got no clear way to fix the problem. I've also noticed that some business owners in the porn spa industry are tracking things, but don't have the time, the understanding, or even the awareness that there's a problem costing them money to feel motivated enough to use the data and improve their website's conversion rates. So to help you see there's room for improvement, the first step is to build a pilot version of a brand new website. I'd normally charge £297 for this setup, but as part of the 4-week split test, it will be for free. It will ultimately have the same branding, but come fully updated with an improved layout, better structure, clearer copywriting, and act as a modern online showroom built to turn your visitors into the results you actually need as a business, whether that's inquiries, bookings, or engagement. It normally takes around a week to complete, and once we're both happy with it, you now have two websites that can be split tested against each other. Now, while we build it, your business carries on as normal, so nothing from an operational standpoint will change on your end. The next step is to install both Microsoft Clarity and Google Analytics on your current site if you haven't already got them both, which you can keep even after the split test is done, and on your new version so we can track how they both perform. The final step before the site goes live is to add a small piece of code to your current homepage, and this acts as the brain of the split test. Its job is to give every individual visitor a set chance of being fully redirected to the new version of your website once they click on your site link. So all that's happening is your normal level of visitors will search for you on Google, and only when they click into your main site link, the code would run and give each visitor, for example, a 20% chance of being fully redirected to the new site and experience it fully as if it was your current one, leaving an 80% chance that they are to click, land, and stay on your existing site so you still have enough visitors to continue business as normal while we run the split test. So, now that everything's ready, the final checks can take place, you'll confirm you're happy, then all we do is republish your current page. It will go live, but this time with the code and tracking running in the background, and this is when the 4-week split test begins. So at this point, your traffic is getting split between both your current version and a new version of your website, with a smaller portion going to your new site and the majority staying on your current one. And importantly, when your visitors search for you, they'll only ever see your current website link listed and not the new website link, so there's no confusion for future or current visitors. After the 4 weeks, the test is paused by removing the code, and all results are collected, reviewed, and compiled into a clear report that we'll go through together on a call. And finally, on that call, we'll review the results, compare how each site's performed, fully understand what the data shows, what the future of each website could look like, and agree on how to move forward in the best possible way for your business.